my DG, Honorable Adam, for opening the remarks. And before going, to answer the question, let me first give the audience a definition of Somalia and where it is in the world map. Somalia is a country in the Horn of Africa. The reason I'm doing this definition is, in 2014 I was in South Africa. We had training there, and a lady who was our tour in South Africa asked me where I'm from. Then I said I'm from Somalia. She said, "Oh, I know, it's next to Pakistan." So Somalia is a country in Africa, in East Africa, and the very Horn of Africa. Somalia has faced conflicts, and for the last 2 decades or 3 decades, now 28 years, but it's recovering. Now Somalia is recovering. And the youth population in Somalia, according to the National Development Plan in Somalia, the youth population is 75% of the population in Somalia are youth. So the youth are the asset of any nation, and especially for Somalia, the youth are the assets we have now. My name is Sid Ali. I work as a governance expert at the Ministry of Youth and Sports of the Southwest State of Somalia. And again, Somalia is a country where the federalism is practiced. We have 7 member states to the federal government of Somalia, and Southwest is one of the states in Somalia established only in November 2014. And now we are doing well in terms of youth and youth inclusion in the political processes and decision-making processes. When we say that we are doing well, we have to have figures, numbers. There is a saying which says, "In God we trust, others bring data." At the state now, with only 5 years of age, the recent cabinet established by His Excellency Honorable Abdulaziz Mohammed Hassan Laftagaren, the cabinet of the state, 40% of the cabinet now are youth. So the president, with his leadership, and the Minister of Youth and Sports, with all the team working for the ministry, we had only one target. Our target is how we can utilize this great asset that we have. We say 75% of the population. And to serve them, we have to speak for them, advocate for them. So my role at the ministry is to advocate for the youth inclusion in the political process and decision-making process, whether it's a district level or a regional level. And in 2016, we had the elections of the federal parliaments. The seats that are elected from Southwest State at the federal parliament are 69, of which 20% are youth. No other state has demonstrated such a